beautiful, talented Miles Ocampo!
Hi, ma. Hindi dyan, Miles. Dito ang event natin. Very bulaga, ah.
Ayan, okay, Miles, Direct Mike, Sir Zo, and Ate Jackie. I will give you the floor para mag-hand over ng ating welcoming flowers to our All Access to Artist family, Miles Ocampo, one of the newest part of the roster of talents ng AAA. Ayan. Thank you so much. Diba? Grabe naman talaga yun. And I will invite you guys to please proceed to your respective seats. Pwede tayong maupo. At syempre, sisimulan po natin ang hapong ito ng ating opening prayer. Tawagin natin one of our artists or artist handler. Please welcome Jobs Grande.
Ano pong iba?
So, good afternoon po. Tayo po tayo.
And thank you so much, Sir Jobs. Ayan. Grabe naman din talaga ang prayer na yan. Talagang galing sa puso. But of course, we'll begin with our opening remarks. Marinig natin ang boses ng isa sa pinakasinigawan. At talaga namang may fans club this afternoon. Ang ating Head of Operations and Sales, Miss Jackie L. Cara.
Hello everyone! Magandang hapon po, friends from the press. Isang sigaw naman dyan. Okay. At ang ating All Access to Artist family na nasa likod. Hi! Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Magandang hapon, Miles. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here. Alam ko it's an effort to be here. Pero ngayon po, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na nasa QC po tayo. At alam kong lahat tayo ay nagpapasalamat dahil hindi malayo yung pinuntahan ng mga kaibigan nating press ngayon. So syempre, nilapit natin and ngayong araw na to is very special for us. We would like to welcome ang magiging parte ng pamilya ng AAA. Miles, sila ang pamilya natin ng AAA. I would like to welcome you to the family.
Maraming salamat, Miss Jackie Cara. Nakukita nyo naman, di ba? Lahat ng mga invited na mga friends from the press dito sa mga past press con natin, sa mga bagong artista na ipinapakilala natin, talaga namang ibang magmahal ang mga taga AAA, di ba? Kaya Miss Jackie, maraming salamat. Next, of course, pakinggan naman natin ang ating Chief Operating Officer and Chief Financial Officer, Sir Jojo O'Connor.
Hello. Magandang hapon sa... Nasabi ni Jackie lahat, so... maraming salamat no, sa mga kaibigan natin sa press na dumalo kayo sa aming event for Miles Ocampo, of course, in the middle of this heat ngayong summer. No? So maraming salamat at sa pagsama niyo sa amin dito sa celebration na to today. At yun nga, lagi nating sinasabi, welcome to the family, Miles. Pero when I thought about it, parang matagal naman na natin siya kasama sa pamilya, di ba? Mula sa Bulaga Homogenation, kasama na natin siya, tsaka sa Panjak Princess. No? So, parang welcome again to the family. But you've been always been a part of our family for years already. No? So, salamat Miles at sa pamilya mo, sa tiwala, sa binigay mo sa All Access. And excited kami and I'm looking forward sa collaboration natin for in the future, mga projects na gagawin mo, and sana magkatulungan tayo at makatulong kami sa career mo. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Palakpakan naman po natin si Sir Zozo, di ba? Ang sarap kapag ikaw ay wini-welcome ng ating mga pinakamamahal na mga bosses. Thank you, Sir Zo. Of course, susunod, ito na po, the best director. Ayan na. Our Chief Executive Officer and the President, Direct Mike Toviera.
Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much our press family for attending today. Alam ko effort every time we have an event, especially in this weather. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo. Of course, our AAA family over there also. Maraming salamat. We make it a point every time we welcome a member to the family. We really make it a point to try to just welcome her in our own special way. Kasi tulad ng itinuro ng tatay ko, AAA is really run like a family. We treat our friends in the press as family. We treat all our talents as family. We treat all our employees as family. That's really, yun lang ang alam namin na paraan kung paano magpatakbo ng kumpanya. Kasi that's the way our chairman and my father taught us. So yun lang yung alam talaga namin. And to really, talagang yung may malasakit at may pag-alaga talaga. That's all we really know what to do. Like Sir Joe said, si Miles has been very close to us, has already been part of our APT family. She was our Pajak princess, very, very proud. And then now, the princess joins the Queens of AAA. So welcome so much, Miles. Thank you so much.
Grabe naman yun! The princess joined the queens. Of course, alam na natin kung sino-sino yung mga queens na yun. At hindi ko na papangalanan. Kilala nyo po at mahal na mahal natin sila. Maraming salamat. Pwede na po tayong maupo. Sir Joe, Direk Mike, and of course, Ate Jackie. And of course, Miles. Mamaya na kita hihingan ng mensahe mo. Alam ko, napakasaya mo ngayon because of this wonderful press con, the welcoming of AAA sa'yo bilang isa sa kanilang mga talents or artists na aalagaan. Pero meron tayong first and exclusive. Ngayon lang po natin ipapakita at ipapasilip ang naging photo shoot and video shoot ni Miles Ocampo under All Access to Artists. Let's all watch this. And welcome to All Access to Artists family, Miles Ocampo. Ayan, nakita po natin, nasilip po natin, first and exclusive. Now, it's time para naman siliyahan na natin ang iyong kontrata with AAA. Kasama, of course, Miss Jackie Cara, Sir Jojo O'Connor, Direk Mike Tobiera, and of course, Miles Ocampo. We'll now proceed dito po sa ating official contract signing. This is it.